Okay, I did some testing and I removed the motor from the board, and there is some room between the axis and the housing of the motor, so I think the bearing is damaged somehow.